Well, it's warm and quite windy outside here in San Francisco. Too windy to do a video. They've been forecasting this windstorm for about a week now. It finally showed up. You just get close and it'll eventually show up. So I see that Trump has issued a historical 1776 report. They're saying it's the most racist rewrite of history ever put out. But what would you expect from the orange idiot in chief? We're not even going to talk about that today. We're going to talk about other things that Trump is directly related to. U.S. approves the largest copper mine in North America. The largest. He is now approved. The company Rio Tinto. They're a company based out of London who's going to come over here to the U.S. and tear up Arizona and make the largest copper mine in the northern part of America. This permit will also include road building, power lines, pipelines, and other infrastructure needed for mining. In other words, that area will be completely scraped and there will be nothing left of the area. But that's not all. Years and years ago, there was quite a controversy around the world about incinerators and how you get rid of solid burnable waste, such as wood, plastic, chemicals that you can put in a hot fire and they'll evaporate away. And incinerators are now back, and even worse than they were before. 27% of that is mismanaged, and a lot of it ends up in the ocean. These incinerators are a lot closer to home than you think, blocks or just a few miles away. 90 million metric tons of waste is produced every year that goes into these incinerators. The emissions that are emitted from these incinerators, because the regulations are being downgraded for these incinerators, they will be belching sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, PM2.5s, and PVC gas. Let me tell you something just about one of those, PVC. That's the black plastic or the white plastic that you burn. If you burn it and you were to breathe that smoke, you could be dead in less than 15 minutes. That's how toxic PVC smoke is. If you don't burn it to where it's in a flame, but more of like a gaseous, a PVC gas, that can kill you in less than 5 minutes. And yet we're incinerating tons and tons of this stuff every year, which is then going into the atmosphere. How long before the atmosphere is too full of PVC smoke and gas, it starts to kill off people? Then what do? Make some big air filters? A little too late. So that's another thing we really have to watch out for, is these incinerators that keep creeping back in, because solid waste management is so poor. We only recycle about a third of the metal that's put into the recycling, and the rest of it's thrown away. Lots of things can be done. The Biden administration can wake up and start paying good money for recycling all materials, including plastic. Whether they have a use for it or not, recycle it and make it go back to the place it was manufactured, and let them deal with it. It's their garbage. There's all kinds of things Biden can do to the environment to help the air quality, the water quality. Look at the water mess around the U.S., how we've used to have the cleanest water around the world. Now we're way, way, way down. Some parts have polluted water so badly that it could actually kill you in a matter of years. Would anybody like to mention any particular place? Anyway, I appreciate all the ups, the downs, the new subscribers one more day of the Orange Idiot. Just one more day, and then we can do, hopefully, a big, it's over. God, will it end or will it not end? Who knows? I appreciate all the comments, all the ups and downs, all the new subscribers, all the unsubscribers, and everybody else. Oh, and until next time.